are looking for a stunning luxury sedan that combines elegant design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology, then the 2024 Audi A7 is one of the best-suited options for you in the segment. The exterior of the 2024 Audi A7 features a sleek and sporty silhouette that makes its own presence on the road. The front fascia features a large hexagonal grille with the signature 4 rings logo, flanked by sharp LED headlights with daytime running lights. The side profile showcases the coupe-like roofline, stylish machine-made alloy wheels, and muscular fenders, while the rear end boasts a full-width LED taillight strip and a retractable spoiler. The 2024 Audi A7 also offers a range of exterior colors and with options to suit your personal style. Under the hood, the 2024 Audi A7 is powered by a standard 3.0-litre turbocharged version 6 engine that delivers 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. The engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission for smooth and responsive shifting. The 2024 Audi A7 also comes standard with Quattro all-wheel drive, which provides superior traction and handling in all-weather conditions. Additionally, the 2024 Audi A7 offers 4 different driving modes: Comfort, Auto, Dynamic, and Individual, which let you customize the steering, suspension, and throttle response to your preference. Interior of the 2024 Audi A7 has a spacious and luxurious cabin that can accommodate up to 5 passengers comfortably. The interior features high-quality materials, such as leather, wood, and aluminum, as well as ambient lighting and a panoramic sunroof. The dashboard features dual 10.1-inch and an 8.6-inch touchscreens that integrate into the dashboard and center console. This screen is available with the latest connected car technology features. Other features include wireless charging, navigation, Wi-Fi hotspots, dual-zone climate control, multi-way adjustable seats, premium sound system, and many more. The 2024 Audi A7 also features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that displays vital information such as speed, fuel level, navigation directions, and driver assistance alerts. For driver and passenger safety, the 2024 Audi A7 also offers a range of safety and convenience features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic alert, parking sensors, backup camera, head-up display, and more. Currently, A7 is available in 3 different trims with a starting price of around $72,300 for the base premium trim and reaches up to around $80,900 for the top prestige trim. What are your thoughts? Comment below, and hit the subscribe button for more daily new automotive updates, and thank friends for watching our videos.